Let's illustrate the BARAK MX capabilities in the following scenario. The enemy sends a maritime patrol UAV, then initiates a surprise attack. The BARAK's net-centric capability enables early warning from external sensors connected to the task force. Now, 2 cruise missiles are launched from an enemy ship. Sea-skimming missiles are launched from a submarine. And fighter jets release 2 guided munitions towards our force. Faced with such a saturated attack, highly effective threat management is required. Thanks to full net interoperability, sensors from all vessels provide the most effective threat tracking, not necessarily from the ship under attack.
Activate self-defense systems.
When the BARAK MX system is activated, the JTC automatic coordinates engagement, thereby optimizing interceptions from all participating systems. The JTC enables harnessing of the destroyer's radar to support BARAK Interceptors launched from other missile ships. The integrated capabilities of the BARAK MX system enable smart and efficient operation from a single ship or task force, ensuring complete protection and fast elimination of all threats. The BARAK MX system is designed for optimal performance in all maritime AMD missions. Naval BARAK MX AMD system, the complete response to maritime air and missile defense needs, by IAI.